Commercial real estate. Headlines often tell of trophy assets changing hands between global investors for hundreds of millions of pounds. But for the majority of private investors, there have been limited commercial real estate options available.
Time and again, when we were researching IPSX, we were told, yes, I'd like to invest more in commercial real estate, but the structure of the market doesn't allow me to. Yes, I'd like to make a direct investment, but I can't. Well, now you can.
IPSX is the world's first dedicated commercial real estate exchange with all the benefits of a regulated market, but dedicated exclusively to connect investors with commercial real estate.
IPSX is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, and joins a select group of globally renowned exchanges, giving investors around the world the confidence that their trades are taking place in a secure and safe environment.
And for the first time, you have an exchange which sits between real estate owners and investors and connects these two worlds which, largely speaking, have not been connected before.
So IPSX offers us a public market alternative to a traditional private market sale. And as a result of that, we could well see a completely different investor type coming into our assets.
IPSX offers the private investor the opportunity to invest in commercial real estate or shops or sports stadium or retail in an easy and efficient and cost-effective manner.
This buy-side demand should be attractive to the owners of existing assets as a means of raising equity via part disposal into a permanent capital structure.
Owners of commercial property can place a property asset in a company and offer the shares in an initial public offering, or IPO. The process of submitting a security to trade on IPSX is expected to take between 8 to 12 weeks, including the approval and publication of a prospectus giving details about the company, its management and its assets. How does this benefit owners?
There are multiple benefits for owners through IPSX. Firstly, they have the ability to have some flexibility, some optionality in the way in which they actually sell down their asset. At the moment, they have to sell 100% of it, typically, or enter into a joint venture. With IPSX, through an IPO, they are able to stagger and choose how much they sell at any point in time.
So the opportunity to IPO a strategic asset but maintain an ongoing interest is a true game changer, releasing capital and improving returns for investors.
IPSX's trading technology is provided by industry-leading partner companies and hosts live pricing information and up-to-the-minute data, allowing the global investment community to buy and sell shares in companies admitted to trading on the exchange. How does this benefit investors?
Under the IPSX system, the single asset will be available to those investors, which means that they can become stock pickers in relation to a precise thesis of investment that they might want to pursue.
So I think the focused nature of the assets to be hosted on IPSX is consistent with the convention of investors wanting a focused strategy around what the IPOs they invest in do.
I think M7 Real Estate, originally we engaged with IPSX because we believe in the potential it has to generate greater liquidity in the commercial real estate sector.
RBC's Real Estate Equity Capital Markets group is pleased to be an advocate of IPSX.
And of course, IPSX will, for the very first time anywhere in the world, provide real estate investors with the opportunity to invest via a regulated market directly in commercial real estate assets of their choice. And that has to be exciting.
Find out more at ipsx.com.